Princess Haya bint Hussein, wife of Dubai's ruler Sheikh Mohammed Al Maktoum, made headlines in March 2019 when she fled Dubai for London, leaving behind her luxurious life and seeking asylum. Her sudden departure and subsequent request for a divorce stunned the public. She cited fears for her safety and that of her children as the reason for her drastic action. This set off a highly publicized legal battle in London's High Court, which revealed shocking details about her life and marriage, drawing massive media attention. The legal dispute between Sheikh Mohammed and Princess Haya, now focused on a custody fight over their 2 children, has continued for over 4 years. Since her dramatic escape, how has Princess Haya adapted, and what changes have occurred in her life? What startling revelations did she make during the trial? Join us as we explore her full story, uncovering the secrets she disclosed in a revealing interview. Born on May 3, 1974, Princess Haya is the half-sister of King Abdullah II of Jordan. She was educated at prestigious British schools and later attended the University of Oxford, where she studied political science and economics, graduating in 1994. Her mother, Queen Alia, tragically died in a helicopter crash in 1977, a loss that deeply affected the royal family and the nation. Throughout her life, Princess Haya has been active in charitable and humanitarian causes, using her education and royal influence to make a positive impact globally. Princess Haya's love for horseback riding, which began after her mother's death, would later play a pivotal role in her meeting Sheikh Mohammed. She became the first Jordanian woman to earn a truck driving license at 19, showcasing her independent nature. In 2000, she represented Jordan in equestrian events at the Sydney Olympics, finishing 70th, and later competed in Spain, where she met Sheikh Mohammed. The two married in 2006, and Princess Haya became a prominent public figure. Together, they had 2 children, Al-Jalila and Zayed. While their marriage was often seen as a model of royal unity, with Princess Haya accompanying Sheikh Mohammed at public events, behind closed doors, their relationship was more complex. Despite appearances, some friends suggest that their connection was genuine, though it was often overshadowed by the strategic nature of their union, which benefited both Dubai and Jordan's economies. In 2019, however, Princess Haya's picture-perfect marriage unraveled. She fled Dubai with her children, seeking refuge in London. Her request for legal protection raised serious concerns about her safety, with her claiming that Sheikh Mohammed might force her return to Dubai. This led her to seek a non-molestation order in the British court, a step commonly used by those experiencing domestic violence. The court proceedings revealed disturbing details of intimidation and emotional distress, painting a far darker picture of her marriage than the public had ever known. Princess Haya bint Al Hussein, the wife of Dubai's ruler Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, is currently in hiding in London, fearing for her life after fleeing her husband. She sought a divorce from the sheikh for a long time, but he repeatedly denied her request. Efforts to leave the marriage had failed before, but with the help of German diplomats, Princess Haya and her children managed to escape to Germany, where they were granted political asylum. The legal measures she sought were aimed at ensuring the safety of herself and her children, particularly to protect her daughter, Al-Jalila, from the possibility of a forced marriage. Western media reported that Sheikh Mohammed had contacted King Abdullah II of Jordan, asking for his help in having the children returned to Dubai. Sheikh Mohammed claimed he simply wanted custody after deciding to separate from Princess Haya. As the case progressed, further details of their relationship came to light, including a reported infidelity scandal. Princess Haya had been unhappy as the younger wife of Sheikh Mohammed from the start, and her reception in Dubai's royal family was reportedly less than welcoming. The family's disapproval, especially from the Crown Prince and others, may have contributed to her frustration, which was compounded by her alleged affair with Russell Flowers, an Englishman who worked as her bodyguard. Flowers, who was 33, and Princess Haya, 43, reportedly began their relationship soon after he started his job. His wife became suspicious of their interactions and found intimate messages and photos on his phone. In 2017, Flowers initiated divorce proceedings from his wife, coinciding with the affair. To maintain secrecy, He was allegedly paid $2.1 million to remain silent about the relationship, which lasted for 2 years. Princess Haya is also said to have paid the same amount to 2 other security guards who were aware of the affair, in exchange for their silence. The affair and its aftermath were key factors in Princess Haya's decision to flee, underlining the serious risks she faced following the discovery of her infidelity by her husband. Members of the royal family in the Emirates are often less forgiving when it comes to transgressions. Princess Haya's actions, whether driven by genuine fear for her safety or other personal reasons, further escalated the situation. The interactions between Sheikh Mohammed and King Abdullah II, alongside reports of an affair, attracted significant public attention, particularly regarding the personal and legal aspects of the separation. Additionally, Princess May reportedly had concerns about her husband's treatment of his daughters from a previous marriage, Latifa and Shamsa, both of whom had previously attempted to escape. Latifa had publicly accused her father of being involved in the murder of one of his uncle's wives, claiming it was because she was too provocative. These allegations drew international attention and raised serious concerns about the treatment of family members within the royal household. The public's perception of Sheikh Mohammed was further clouded by Latifa's claims, which mirrored broader concerns about governance and human rights in the Emirates. Princess Haya's stated fears revealed the complexities of dealing with such situations within royal families. She faced difficulties securing political asylum due to her children's status as heirs to Dubai's ruler, as their father sought their return. However, her brother, King Abdullah II of Jordan, intervened by appointing her as deputy ambassador to the United Kingdom, which granted her diplomatic immunity. This move enabled her and her children to pursue political asylum. With her new diplomatic status, Princess Haya was able to initiate divorce proceedings against Sheikh Mohammed in a London court, citing safety concerns and seeking legal protection from perceived persecution. The case attracted significant attention and was described as one of the most high-profile divorces in British judicial history, given its international implications and involvement of prominent figures. During the court proceedings, Princess Haya sought full custody of her children, expressing concerns that Sheikh Mohammed might attempt to remove them from Britain, as he had done previously with their half-sisters, Latifa and Shamsa. Furthermore, Princess Haya informed the judge that Sheikh Mohammed allegedly planned for their 11-year-old daughter to marry Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman in 2018. Court records show that on that day, Princess Haya disclosed that a reliable security source informed her that a relative of Sheikh Mohammed was planning to visit Saudi Arabia to discuss the potential marriage. This revelation added an alarming dimension to the legal proceedings, highlighting Princess Haya's fears for her children's future and her efforts to protect them. The claim raised questions about cultural practices and legal protections for minors in such situations. These revelations unfolded during the custody and divorce proceedings, raising serious concerns about the safety and future of Princess Haya and her children. Given Sheikh Mohammed's importance in the Emirates, the Supreme Court of England allowed the documents to be made public after rejecting an appeal from his lawyers. This decision upheld principles of transparency, granting the public access to the proceedings, which helped provide a clearer understanding of custody disputes under international law. Following the ruling, Judge Andrew McFarland revealed details about the case involving Princess Haya and Sheikh Mohammed. He mentioned allegations that Sheikh Mohammed had orchestrated the abductions of Princess Shamsa and Princess Latifa and noted threats made to Princess Haya, asserting that she and her children would never be safe in England. Additionally, Judge McFarland highlighted the case of Princess Latifa. The court proceedings revealed that Princess H was reportedly forcibly returned to the UAE following an alleged abduction from a ship off the coast of India in 2018, after she left Dubai. These details were presented as part of the court's factual findings and Princess H's claims made during the trial, which spanned several years. The trial also uncovered various private aspects of the royal family, including rumors of an alleged affair between Princess H and her security guard, though both denied the relationship. The bodyguard chose not to comment publicly on the matter. Amid these claims, there were speculations that Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum may have fabricated the affair allegations as part of a strategy to tarnish his ex-wife's reputation and influence custody battles over their children. These rumors added complexity to an already contentious legal conflict. In addition to these allegations, the High Court found that Sheikh Mohammed was involved in the illegal hacking of phones belonging to his opponents in the UK. Despite his denials, it was determined that Sheikh Mohammed had ordered the hacking of phones, including those of Princess H, her personal assistant, her security team, her legal representatives, and even Baroness Shackleton, her barrister. These actions were deemed an abuse of power and a severe violation of British criminal law. The court revealed that Sheikh Mohammed's agents used Pegasus spyware, sold by Israel's NSO Group, to target phones of those opposing him. This raised concerns about the misuse of surveillance technology originally designed for combating crime and terrorism, now used against individuals challenging the sheikh. The court also noted that this technology was used to track and attempt to abduct Princess Latifah when she tried to escape Dubai in 2018. Further adding to the allegations against Sheikh Mohammed was evidence that he attempted to purchase a property near Princess H's residence in the UK. Despite his denials, the court's findings have raised serious questions about breaches of UK law, particularly concerning privacy violations and potential legal overreach. The case also revealed extensive details about Sheikh Mohammed's actions, including his efforts to intimidate and control through proximity. The revelations from 60 pages of judgment documents intensified the public scrutiny surrounding the case, especially regarding the phone hacking scandal.